and I'm going to give you a walkthrough of a system which simplifies a management of employee records and performance. So on the system we have three types of users: the admin, the manager, and the employee. So they have also different privileges and permissions on the system. So the admin is like the IT admin with all the privileges, followed by the manager and then the employee. So I'm going to sign in using an admin account which I created prior to this walkthrough. So here's the email and this is the password. So I'm going to sign in. So this is the dashboard, but for now I'm going to head over to the departments section. So there we have our departments. We can also add more departments as well. Right, so our sales department has been created. So we can also head over to the employees section. Right, so we can, as an admin, I can add managers and employees to the section, right, to the system, right. But as a manager, I cannot add another manager or an admin to the system. I can only add employees, and as an employee I don't have access to this section. Yeah, so I'm going to add an employee here. So let's in position, I'm going to say software developer. Let's just say manager. Right. Then department, human resources. I had it 1 July. Then row manager. Right. So I'm going to create the, so they have our user has been added to the system. Can also add another one. Phone number, I'm going to put some tummy details here, which is 400. Position, software developer. Then department IT, date 2 July. Then row employee. So we now have our employee and our manager. So on this tab, on this window actually, I'm going to log in as a manager, and on another window I'm going to log in as an employee to demonstrate the role-based access control principle which is being used on this system. So I'm going to log out and then log in again using the manager account which I just created. So this is the account, right. There we go, I'm back. Then on this window I'm going to sign in using the employee account which I just created. Oh no, password. So no, we have signed in using a wrong account. I wanted this. Yes, this one. Right, there we go. We now have two separate dashboards, the one for the manager and the one for the employee. So I'll just start with this dashboard. So on this dashboard, we have the attendance widget, the leave summary, the hours worked, performance, and unsigned projects. So on the attendance, basically an employee have to check in, check out on a daily basis. So that the managers can see the hours the employee has worked per day or per week or per month, right? Then on the leave summary, they have an overview of how many days they have been on leave, how many days they have been left with, right? And their current status, if they are on leave or not, right? Then performance, basically a manager gives reviews to the employee on a monthly basis, right? So this widget calculates the average score, right? They have been which of the scores which have been accumulating on their account. Then the assigned projects, the manager can assign projects to the employee, and right, for them to complete or work on, right? So for now I'm going to check in, I'll check out later, right? So I'm going to head over to the project section. So here we don't have anything because my manager hasn't assigned me projects yet. So I'll just head over to the leave management, right? So here I can request a leave for the manager to approve, right? So I'm going to request a leave. I'm going to say it's a let me just say it's a sick leave, right? Start date 27, 29, and we have an employee also have to specify the reason they want to take a leave. Right, so I have requested a leave, right? So when a leave application is submitted, it triggers a notification to the manager, right, for them to approve, right? So we have the notification here, so which says a new application needs to be approved. So I can head over the leave section where I can reject or approve a leave application depending on the circumstances right currently at hand. So I will just approve, right? I have approved the leave, and then it's now on the approved section, right? So here it also sends a notification to say the leave application has been approved, right? So that the employee knows that their leave has been approved, right? So on the leave, right, that's all for the leave section. We now head over to the project section. So this section on the employee side shows me the projects which I have been assigned to, and then on the manager side shows the projects which are available on the system. So here it's showing nothing, because nothing has been assigned to me yet. So I'm going to create another project as an admin. Right, there we have our project created. So we can view project, we can edit the project, we can delete the project, and we can assign the project to employees to work on. Then I can assign them a role on this project. Right, I've assigned an employee to this project. Then I will head over to the employee dashboard, and then you should have a notification saying that I've been assigned to a project. And if I go to the projects section, I can now see this project appearing on my dashboard. And if I go to the dashboard, I can also see this metric here, assigned projects, which means I've been successfully assigned to a new project, and I can start working on it up to the preset due date. And then that's all for the projects section. Then I'm also going to the employee section, right? So on this section, that's where a manager can manage their employees. For example, they can view their information, edit their information, and also they can delete. Right, they can delete. So I'm going to go here. So this is the basic information of the employee. Then you also have the statistics showing days taken on leave, then the number of days remaining on their account in terms of leave, then their status, if they are currently on leave or not, then number of hours worked, their performance, then projects assigned. So we also have this projects tab showing the projects they've been assigned to. Then the reviews, this is for the managers to add performance reviews to their employees. This is done on a monthly basis. Right, I'm going to say 5. Right, so I have given this employee a review. So if I go to the dashboard here, right, I can see I've been given a review 5 out of 5, so it's 100%. Right, so basically that's it. I can now check out, finished my day. And then we also have a functionality where a user can edit their own details. They can change password, they can add basic details. So yeah, that's it for our system. Thank you for the opportunity.